na fie jedum because sika pa e be komu no ene yi nyame ncha de wo be mu on natural way herbal clinic Dr. Uafia Kenten obesa yare only natural remedies healing is assured within few days untwa kwanya bosome mienu bosome miensa there be within few days no asha se ho results no wo zampa bibia koyi kama pa ade ma obehunu ye chia kwan ewo ye Santa Maria wonkran ha ye ben ja love hotel ye adwuma fie joda kosi efie da no past 7 cop menu 5 friend 0245 547 afa 020 079 2466 Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Let the herbs heal. Kojak Pharma Limited. And so Jumakua. I'm gonna mind the original pro code. The patro the entire meka original pro code no and crophobia trebiagum. Atafu yo mo big omwa. Ama nanwa dakra ho sem bi bai se wantia. The double paracetamol na shim ne other chemicals been more approved by FDA. It will no say too cold new flu as no. Na sense o liver. Enu to to de efi eye Kojak Pharma. Eno ne original no. PROCOLD. Na Kojak no ebon KOJACH. Any logo no. Ene papa. Omukura so na my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. And a Kojak sensitive to brush. Woody idea new and idea she and idea be a da now sifin femo. Use to Kojak F toothpaste and any mouthwash. Why a big since what then severe pains ban I feel it to that crowd choose and moja bar. Obey to Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash for 4 weeks. Later on I will switch it to Kojak F now. Open best result I have for Kojak sensitive to brush in account. Obenya BH acquire pharmacy shops are holding in do drop panel. Kojak Pharma ewo Okanshi drug lane. And our friend was 0249 209 920 and our fee 0260 870-780. And we're changing fast day. You my DBS Industries Limited. And you my cool back on my bomb home over the years. Almost standards there, chest baby a dana oh shit and tip my form. I'm out for baby. I asked on betting on but there be the wedding can eat it now. Almost there. I'm losing content on roofing sheets AZ 150. The account will just between AZ30 and AZ50. It's a chance in here thick about dinosaurs. We are book raster honey. Color no and fade and put our pili off and I can pass a chance in our rusted. And to be a football, it's not to be a Timina Kukudroma 20-year warranty also. Range was Spinter's Road, never Joe dear. Oh, when you saw enjoy 5% discount to a chance now, but toy and channel so at the Acobo dance show. Ofie so penwa du papa restaurant. And then Casa 0240 844 444. Afi 0204 344 561. And I me press all you need. Me penny pa be yes 5. I don't want more than 5. Tie dia me can no then call me. Me penny pa 5. Asa for no omunim said ye ti etuntum nyame enim said ye timi yi nyame aye ye timi ebo nyame mrane. You know, some people are blessed with that. Otontum brosu nyame wan yo ye de ebi timi kasa de na fe ugina okra na wa akra to say yeah I was here good. If you are blessed with that, I want you to call me. Enipa 5 and amepe wo de friend bra na esa nyame mrane mam ye wie. That is what I want you to do. Enipa 5. Numbers to call 0302 216 561. Afi 0302 216 562 0268 499 347. These are the numbers to call. Frena eyi nyame aye. Oh, frena ebo nyame samrane mame wate. Tonton nyame mame wate. That's all I want you to do this afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rajali.
Me patcho first saying.
Patcho FM Ofie and Kasefi Tasting Market.
Ophelia.
Bra.
Me pacho unim de me pese wo ye ma me no ho.
Me pacho ai.
Ene ma ne nkoi.
Yo. Erade a wo ye kese. Wa wani ni wetu nyame bia ba ni wo. Dini osia de yo. Kun.
Aba.
Aye buafo nyame. Kwanche di se a wo ja brefo. Ehun tehun nyame. Wa wani ni wetu nyame bia ba ni wo. Wa wani ni wetu ahini etim hoda. Erade a wahini ensemu da. Ahini bebre abetwem akọ. Na se erade wahini etim hoda. Erade ye hwe oso ni asase a obi ene won se ene wimle ye da wasia na se fata o everybody we are him hene wa wo bi peke se de media wo fiti ko san kwa de tie mu wo kwantu mi nyame wa wo kwa ko se tuo ni dance ku di nkunim ene no ma ye da wasia adun ni ti amen
you do all eno credit o se afro say
but I am
Ophelia no credit o kan de ena nkasa no ba bia me fire ansan be pia me ho nye kra anye san kene ka me ye show ba to de he da foforo me she da yo show pa what da foforo da me sure amen oh my goodness yeah no credit o kan we fi and then she dan ye isa aka me ye no show wa mama feel studio as what. Second caller I ready on. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brema.
Me patcho Frosty.
Oh, Unia Bema Bakope, the great one.
We have me patcho unim de me hwehwe wie.
Man ko akwaba de kan ma akwaba.
Mejo so.
Right. Ntinen ko.
Ko anim.
Oh, kukuru nyankopon a kukuru ye odi kudu asumdie mu. Asumfo na kaketia ubudi te wo wie ma watin kampom. Okwantia dinsin a wo so abrefo kantamanto osi ade yo. Kukuru obi ntini kukuru entuni kukuru basage ade odoman kuma nyankopon a wodom yakonyanko yina mayen onyame wanwani onyame kokuruku onyame a yenya wana nyame wudi ba ko ne ewurade woni ewura mu yina ade wudi onyankopon woni onyame yina mu pon wudi kantamanto a kantama a wonto wudi openia mpanifo yina so wo aso okantamanto osi ade yo nyame a yenya wana nyame aso na keketie onyame a woye wanwani wa wonanti epusi ewie keke na nso ohunfo wa wotimi de kosiampo ebo kekire wa wudi okasa akoma ina so yem woni onyame a ehuntehu nyankopon no bibi ebetwem na nso de wontwem ta onyame a yenya wana nyame ewie eksewo nyame
amen 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 you have why ni na that's far 9 more minutes to 4 next call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying
pa wucho oberima ba ku pe ka ogana kane ke chira wo obosuma se ekuya pim
yo sana tenen yentie we
yo meda twede ampo kwame base ya do ma se nyankupon a oboni pa mo ba no abrinya obo me ke cha wo fam ba de biera me trake mo ko ba mpre mi no ka sei nyano pe mi sori ku adwuma ma esa bi dufia sumdwem man chetin carbon biera ato mi tumi ko to accident bi so a nya mi nim ani obon sameti kone aya na ya hometo ba mimi ko ba de bia man chetin carbon bia meda nya mi ase papa ma meda nya mi ase ma mi mba anya ko
kachi nyamutre two callers no de ombe no te de
meti pa
na veda na owi me makase makase beda nya mi ase mankofo me can the reason why you should call me say me penipa 5 to do that, so why are you doing this I am amonyesa
yare
I am amonyesa. It is better to obey his directions. So yeah, Adebu you see, I always say this. Me better, yes, my better as just no. See, most of the time, even when we plan to do something, it may change, and I allow myself for the Spirit of God to take control and work. And he said, "But say, honor direction now, and then I feel it, within myself. Say that the Spirit, a banner, say, yenejuma, someone allow yenejuma. I say, never be a kofano. So you just have to be in tune. What I say? And your mass president. Hello.
When you
what is man? If I drive Rose, we
need the Abroa.
Abroa Mwakaba.
Drop an image also.
Abroa Patrick wedding.
Yo. Chediam Pon Yankopon, Onyankopon, Yatno, I am Panvida. And the Futabraba, Oma Amansan, Ediani Die. I can see I'm Femunyame, Una Uko Bidemua, Umi Sasafua. Euradia Yatrewa, near Tre Obotime. Unyamia, also, when you back up, and so we are still mine Papa, Yadawa, near down. We are Cassia, also. Yasho near to me, one more dinner. When I walk a bem, I can see I'm Femunyame. Namia also now can a bem. Who ultimate upon some Edenesha will not say Etiana so, Emma upon some entity answer diem. Then I knew and then you may, and I no pay, and I vie, and rain in as I will not say, Yankopon, also, Udin any Onyankopon, when I trewa young pong, when Yankopon, what can a bem, when I was a dinner, when I wear Kotokro, would you know why, Obin to me piano and to form. When I trewa at the tree or botai, yet trewa, young pan vida, Yankopon, Ufitin Pitiasia, Enim dear Abeba, Winim dear Bessie, Yadawase, Ewa dear Wire, Ediamauma, Yadawase. Amen. Let's jam down for catch point why.
Abroa that's a pa, Namisha. For last one. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear.
A patron from say.
Maybe Faustina.
About Faustina patron anyway.
I'm changing here. I was there breast for young coupon. Share breast to stop for young coupon. On a footable bar with a man so come. Or can't come on to young coupon. Wow, when Auntie a pursue, I will name cancel. We are Yamia, we did is that for a chapel coco. We see we are Yankopon, a mobile for Yankopon, and you see a Yankopon, and Yanka Yankopon, 54 one Yamino, that 4 one Yamino, who feed that church, a better would ask you on Yame. We are the bon city as Yankopon, and see pim Yankopon, or be new a tea, or be new a name. Kokromati ayensa wo papa enye yie wuda mufua adoninti amen
amen o mo amufre nyina mo sewrade mrane nyame onhia mo na watwi mu mabisade bi amode ato awrade animu bia no awrade enhwe mrane amosande so na onye ni nyina amamo Oman na ni onyam enedi omoso Ofa ni nkunim dia basa no entomo so na de mo beye bia no monni so enkunim ewo Yesu dim We are live on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. This is your own show, Ofie Kwanso, with me, Jerry. I said, you on come out Pharma Trust Limited on my Healthy Link Hair, Nails, and Skin. Am I a complete woman? Big now, Naso said. Sapepepe. Abba. Makuma ina memre. Sikuni Shaddai Mitimi Kranka Sabium. Me patrol Healthy Link Hair, Nails, and Skin are making. Obanya be taking care of your hair. Ununu mubu entity beam. O skin so better why so cool for kama. Na ni nyina mu no fingernails nso afua wa bra hoden mapa ewo mu. And a healthy link, healthy woman. Oba unyabia a boost to fertility. Say by our per se offer your funua ombre home. A sign a boost to immune system. The more you check. Now, it lower the chances of getting any heart-related problem. Bia, sounds like your healthy link menopause tablet or about unya bia. What do baby a ucha brano? A boy ye now or how near mania who do I am for most abridging in ano? A 2 hours a crowd. And right now available pharmacy shops. How do you need them? Do a panel there. Now do any actual Pharma Trust pharmacies. How do you need them? Ubenya be home. A fair guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited GT Bank. And only the most innovative and technology advanced bank. Bank ultimately a bear for quite a year banking services who don't need a pound there and no any GT bank. Or say a star 737 hash service no. Their cost of party so far who shouldn't be. Say baby to me a boy ye. Now the opesa we be an obit me the bank now or brown her Hong Kong banking ho. Very, 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 very simple. Put me be account on your mobile phone. Put me cry the account not to me linking to your mobile money wallet. Say be I bet me a transfer easily. It's more than any of our branches brand new system now, so simple banking for every Ghanaian. Convenient banking, papa pano. Wait me don't ashe mubi. I feel finally first day you transition the funeral people. Almost on their boy and say yeah quiet bay uwu e kan ho na ne ko and ne ba. It is a koba say uwu bi ba ya kwamua. Na ya jai dia mom no so etimi akrakra aye ho hihye nyina afefefe kama na bibia so akoyie enti bomoden say bibia fa yi ho bia no on a transition ebedin kita ho na yetimi aboa e wo sa kwan no so ye don wasesa daro mo so kan ho ma yetimi de ofedi kan ni radio ayebrel e wo Ofie Kwanso medi so Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon and come on na Kwame wo Hanover it's saying on our wife Evelyn Michiamo and Chibia ye babiti asemo e de etu yon fo Ofie Kwanso medi so me patron ne nunu milk na watwe mu nyina se wutia me ka ho asem kire wo se ye ba be ma wakwanya no na wo so atimi afre na ya chewade dem patron tie rules ni nie kone koto nunu milk ni bisesi a because questions na maybe sa ni nyina no answers no ewo nunu milk no eho enti koto bi one to bi a mi bisa question na unhunu answers ni na o nunu milk ten no eho ni label no ho enti koto bi sesi a na oba benya achede na ofra me nunu milk no ma no bi awie ye titen ne wa ha ofra me bom kon na so abodi kon na maka nunu milk na waje so grow every day na maka nunu milk na dey show grow every day na chese ye ko anim afi na questions ne ba na so flow enti at the end of the day what me answer questions bebre na onya na correct no with them achede ni na eyodia na yakọ yanim sa okay anyway enko amount your friend David Asamoah Boate who United States of America woso wabra ba obo nyina no said de me kasa anyway minti ena obapa Christi etros anyway si no oso sa eti wasem nyina na wosa anyway mu no David Asamoah Boate who United States of America na enkoma Kofi Usu na Kofi Usu so say what is me born we no filiza ani ade watching you. Verse 2. Yeah, man. That's so much you are. Now me telling you. Near me from Monina. Ordinary nation. Oh, soon you break over Shania Titi. I'm Shania Media Pop. I am there. My FFF. That's what you mean. Come on, now be anymore. Me yummy watching it. Come on. Come in some Fatagra. Watching me. I feel last verse, me uncle. You ain't somewhere debate your for. When I would want you to once in a one, you know, treat you. Hey, now so any I was on your break over Shania Titi. I would share that very pop. I am the boy, you know who now I FFF. Now so near who come on now, yeah, anymore. Yami. Jesus, what do you Afe Duraloop UCL fuel addictive and Afe so no Future Life Health Drink and a Feco Spray Starch Global Access Savings and Loans and a Serene Insurance for Diamond yeah baby tia some way to on for an area with Ofie Kwanso media so see you obey steady. Did I say my voice is good? Me, I mean, my voice nenye. I'm only trying. Why are you doing this? Don't do that. Come on. Happy birthday, Uncle Nana Kwame or Hanover. Nyame Eshrao. Ama ene wode afe baako aka umfi ho yeyi nyame aye na ye hira nyame na ye de nyame ase edema tiano aka chevlin ze numre na wasesem say na special day happy birthday to you bro right and now somewhere did to your home for Ewo Ofie Kwanso media eso no very very simple bro focus him say life is an ever rolling stream. There is no perfect moment, so don't wait until everything is just right. It will never be perfect. Yeah, there are some people I can't say and say obrana aye bono say why dream say maybe ba beba ama eniema atimi ayefom chese wiemu adwo ma kama se be ya obetimi enya bibia easy no akọ wanim dia ene forget it na chese wa ma me bo bra ni bi because ekwan bi aso no akwansidie beba krofo bi betwetwa wanam ebinom be chan ebinom kura be prawo ebinom be ko wo be hia kwansidie bebre e wo bra kwantuo yi a utue imu ni nyina na ka ho bi e me ya brabo na wo bo no enti se botai bi siwani so ana wabo otirim poso obetu anamo bi a mepacho ene yi asabre ya wutie mi no hyase se wutu sa anamo no don't wait menye wadwe se wo twen akosi wo kyena esa se ene dia ese wiemu nyenti wo twen na okyena ene wiem beye dabi ayese ship a wonam high seas pa na woko storm ne bapa ne ade na hunsa sochi bogidigidi captain won kase dabi said the isu na yentino o maship na gina wo atwen kakra wo epono so baabi na akire epono ta din ya wakoda bi ship no koswa sail through the storm gidi asochi mu na na musa na ekwa the challenge no eti captain of the ship no sa sochi ne bwana said the ship no kwa emini ato e bia de benku so a no no so chimu e ya de konifa so said bia ese chimu konifa so no so chinko benku so what the sa be dada ne kakra krasa akopem say obetimi aseli through the storm na fi obedu baabi no emu aya na oto aso sa senso asochi mu no be fa sa akopem so obedu ne final destination a sa no be onyina that approach and ese won so the man life now we live no eso timi hu na ogitum sampa ebre mu oden beba eto da kra won ye hwe so be kasa waye ade no mfa ye be kasa wafa onko ho ye be kasa wakọ eto da enyemo betimi aye den ma bedu ba bi kura de wudie kura na aiden but ni na ka brabo no ho ade yi anka opeso ye adwen papa na wa wo de ta akira opeso ye ade no but ebi no so hu ni sa enu ntie twitwa na ntie yakutia ne ade obekasa nti mo bra no obekasa nti the opposite de sese wo ye no wonye you are waiting ana no because you don't know what will happen tomorrow bi kura na wo se wo twen na some few years to come ne bedu ono bi a san krofo no mo sabotage wene no bedu ono mo afio maybe in the next few years ko na ebeba no sabotage na ebeba no be chen o mpo e wo wene so why do you stop? Don't stop, keep moving on kakra ebeye we ni asemo ene ye di tu ye ho Ofie Kwanso me di so ye fe so aseda ema Duraloop UCL fuel addictive medical catcher dada Thursdays and Fridays o wa kwanya se unya achede edifi program yi so ye no Duraloop UCL fuel addictive for adaruma ye de chow it dey so ye ne say information am dey ma efa Duraloop ho no tie no wasopam opekura fa pen paper na trotro points bi to because the me kan here enum one ye be yi questions na fidi aba na ultimately answer correctly a ene watch dey say tie nie now there's good news o kan na to da na ekwa na asemu twetwe ni mu antimi nko yie to da ultimi tie ka yi so na ni bu ka ni mpuli enko yie bunwa yes I see o de kan be ko workshop fitafu okututu yese na fuel injectors na den just service no na fuel pump na den na connectors no na hwan na we na rust na we na AC ensem bebre wo be kototo sa ne ma we na aboka wo wi a workmanship wa betua and sunny time wa wasting wo fitting shop wa na workshop no wo betimi a prevent sa de ni na wa bra wo to Duraloop UCL fuel addictive wo de atwuka na fuel ne so te na edru ba bi esese wo top up de man nsan na meka be last bar ho no na wako fuel station so kwa koto fuel but ansana be kon make sure say wato Duraloop UCL fuel addictive ni bi entu du a ubi fuel don ubi fuel tank na no pe na wa wankasa kro betimi e wade ya no ne fia fine ti e be ko na wa bie so na wa hwie de gu o tank ni mu uwie pe no ama fuel attendant na bufu na gusu ama obu be 140 na 150 bi gusu ma sa na fe watu ka no ka ne nam na wo de call ba bia wo kɔ adwuma ni nyina so ye taxi driver, Uber driver, truck driver, articulator driver, tipper truck driver na say private car driver obia ka bia ye gumu yi say ye diesel engine na say petrol efa wo de ka ne nam na wo kɔ ni nyina no na sha say service wo ka ne ma eno e ba behwe na clean na lubricating fuel injectors no and we be clean na a lubricative fuel pump no connectors near the adeni na no a check it rust ni na ona amani na e clean just the entire system ni na a restore performance said the car no ye for net tie no na car no aye fuel efficient come anti fuel kakra bi na de begu kan mu a e kokwa tintin bebre e bo adwuma yie wo petrol na fe diesel engine na so se dem di kan no nti obi ampe bi a kira kwan na we ne kwanti ya wa ye de fa so a e my car no itimi run smoothly all the time wa brown co shop wow na mu na car na service no e bibia aye correct the amount be save time and money dual UCL fuel addictive ubenya biato ewo all Excel oil filling station bia nationwide operador part dia General American Auto Parts ewo tema community 9 light industrial hona no ufi moto no so a branch yes owura 9 inside hona na hwa ne wo free 055 648 6379 and 020 299 6662 yabejoso afa future life smart food we so kwan sonko a we de onipadua no wonso de service no isan say enipa ye didi aye kwa ye ba nyina no na yare wanso ba ye setena mu na we so de sonko we no already prepared on saka bia de o yan say just add water to it keke no ano no na natural food supplement chemical sembia enim na de ye ne say wonom no na esa ho yadewa ebi kura na yare bi wo ho a ahinta wonya nhui. It cures up to 172 different diseases ewo nipadua mu. It is all the any high and low blood pressure and diabetes, heart problems near the obu oda timi na when you say trans when ye obu an nipadua no ba bi no ayetititi otin ho kura wonte Parkinson disease bi so how as a pupu ho twi bi na wo as a baby popo bi na ni nyina ebetu ase ama why free ubenya biato health shops awodo ni mu ba dodo pan de bomode aso be hwen chi akwan Cars Estate building ni mu ye ne Ghana Technology University din hwe ni mu chesa no ha ya your branches all over say ya Accra, Tema, Kumasi, Koforia, Cape Coast na fe Takura de fre yen sisi 055 994 7452 and of 0242 878 090 na yenche na yetimi emwa na me patcho feco spray starch so aba e de amount ya we na ma adetoye mre kra patcho feco fo no e be ya stores ni na mufa bi komwa na masubu obi ya na me ko shop we na bi no na me kwa na bi no ko fo frefre me ha ma adwen sa ne ade samara for isem bebre amafo nya product why mo mfa mo kisho sa shop bi because a good product. Oh, e ma de to ye mrekeke umia nse fo digu atade no so a atade ne ne dada kra na ne no by force wo de ayo no fa so ba kwa na nyina bam na neat kama pa na say ja nice fragrance e de gu e watade mu de amount you one first perfume na spray mu kwa o ye okay na wo call baby eti bomode a ne ma onsanka feco spray starch now so look sharp e available shops and stores in supermarkets how do mu we another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Abusia, there's breaking news. Assembly na assembly no. Yenua ba ya Asantwa Eliza Bebe. First no come girls no na. Udwane eti wo hwe na what breaking news no dia mai. Ya.
Kwaku
akwaba.
Yenua
na breaking news we mu ya na mu ye said wani mu ayi
emu nheda nyesa se obehwa anansentem accident ACC ewo Madina Adenta route no eso sa kwantempon no eso ama titro no amanfo anka yese wo mo efa soro na nso foot bridge ni honti wo mo ene cars epre kwan no ho na car ebobo mo na de yete sesia ne se car bo obi ewo Madina empotamu honom ama amanfo buafuma police fo ewo hokra de amanfo ni wo ma ye gidigidi panti yakase no yenua bema bi asemi wakopie honom a ye beka se oye eyewitness owo ahmano so a ye bepese obetumi aboye mu nchemu de asipote babia aka ne bo nipa no ene de ekoso ewo hono nti ye ne wuli ebekasa. Hello William.
Ababa
Yamawakwaba, I Adom 106.3 FM.
Has been put on hold. Please wait.
Willie Ejeswa, Diana Sanquinti, and Sanjay, say put on hold, inti, more release.
Your call has been put on hold. Please.
I don't want to, you know, the eyes will put your call on hold, but let's just, you know, cut the call. My friend.
Hello.
Yeah, Papa.
William Oti and Can, a hypotin, now, Gina Dennis, you are.
Well, Midna, I don't tap barrier, Juan Casanga, and no say, Ufi Medina Airport, Gofoidia, and after Pantai Hospital, Udra, my school Casego, I have was secondary school. Omonimu Hopper, and a Bob 2 more, and school for 4, and lady back home to any admission, and so I moved to school more chum. Now, lady know you, and to tell more chum, and go for no take care of your PR. Almost saying, no, nothing we are not turning into the hello, Chama, Toyota Camry, registered on registered DV and a bone. I'm not in the phone. Up for one, it's Tipaya, I say, oh, no, I did one.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
A breaking Kakratoaso.
Not because I bought it
to us free baby, a born, no.
Oh, okay, it's about 20 minutes time, and Obia. Police me be anyhow. I'm a microphone. I no start to some block. I no some mark Bianco. As an empty for buy and on the far. A funo, a funo in the choir. And so I'm saying, I'm on the choir and that's in the police was about some of the stopping for now. I then tap barrier. I don't attack a camp police for no. AD can buy no more Johnny. A train of fire service for the 2 cars. And so bad some over the 2 John and somebody I bought to and my fire service for car no cry. And you know, almost so cool, my boy, and almost done no money, almost station. And almost military police for about 25B Abahana. Almost crown Abasa 7. I then Tamaran and say, a crown overhead in all my year, and I buy her back or a buy her back or Obiansu and an agent of Baby overhead and a school for no car ban a bomb. Then Timmy was an almost a sarcastic good Kanuma. Obia, I used kind of bottle and no cotton petrol, no, a best Yaguswa. A giant Daru overhead, Nasi and it Domwe Guhana, air personal, and then Nikakra. And police one Abba took rubber bullet, Amanaka, and ran here to because to jam. And you can say, almost the other side of Mohammed, house and down. No, and I'm a dominant someone just in the police one, and a dominant form and Catamo can in Yamano. I'll pop a bomb of Boa, say. One is short name Yaman Tiagas, like also 2 years. The new can say, a dominant one, the police one day of 2 o'clock. I bet by this time, my fire service and
traffic situation.
I know NTC can't see a breeze, and commercial mafa a breeze side where Benino, Oma Apaco, Adenta police station side, no, Medina, and part almost any brief one, so another one. Almost upper a child diverted, but traffic in India from Dina no, but they are heading. I saw the band of children who be anywhere bet me. I got your friends and almost a block or what I say. And I'm a police one. I imagine think I'm the one who be a cast in this so there be. The way Janet Dari on my fire service for no. And I don't bet me a doom into my cast in the traffic in India. I know what they will have a Sunday. And
can't bore Sukunia by one. Kano ewa he driver ni no so ewa he
Kano e born na as a boys na di kan nko mpeso mo bo no so 2 years e di na ni kire police station o baba bia na me gina ko police station ho no emu wa enti asu owura ho na say owura ho no me nya kwan ko police station home ni say driver na be gina ho a ba na on register e DV driver na so na tented obi anhu nanim.
And I yenim say we see Edwane, Ewa Kwanso, and now Nene can look do police station.
You'll be an imbabio because the Yakan, the way I have piano, the way I near money for no, Yakan, Honko Bisa, and Numuntabia, I had to Kakran, a bit of my chief. I could become their cost on the driver, no one.
To do any boy police for the door sign, was seeing what they say.
So far, police were bar, no, baby 25, and I'm a bar, and MTCU for the moment that does from Kitom cars, but I'm on my own packet and I found no don't we go hand microphone. Yet they would see the Delicate. Let's see any Bresama Ranchano. Your house, no way, in Yama. That's a Moyan and Central for no. Mimi anum ya be kura ka
enti na che say ties na wo kan omugu so e fa foforo ba ana Willie utimenka. Hello Willie. I'm say Willie enti yanka na ye bisa na say ties no emrantie no eguso de foforo e ba e hija no mo ana say de wo mo hye dada na eguso e hia wo mutumi fa bi meka ho ase Willie wonte yanka na mom uhwemfoni na wo twa na enye asempa ni nyina ane say school ni abaiwa sebe ofri a bibi nti awia eda nani wonhunu se ka eba na so ka akobo no ewo Madina Adenta Kwantempo no so kakakra ama wadru Adenta barrier eho ana asemi asia aposifo abefa mu no afri ho washankani ne card ye nim babia wakwa PSSA na mrante abuafu a wo mo hyehye ties a wo mo twimomume se de ekoso no wo mo ani nye ho nti se aposifo ene mrante wo Adenta Mpotamu entem na asemi ejina Adom FM yenso ye wo hono mo a chese ye ka se ye nipa enam kwanso a kakakra na wo madru ho nti de ekoso bia no Brano no etiefo ye de betumoni na we no enya asempa ye gidi se kuremu mpanimfo wo mu tie titiro minister honorable Kwasi Amoakwata wose ye ntwen wo ba se ye nim da ye ntwen wo nkosi ye twen wo afe ba ko na nipa 100 ena ewu na ne ye hu ni nei ebi ena besisi a ye nim ade a ebetimasi wo mamu enti ye sere kuremu mpanimfo ye se ye nya footbridge no na amanfo fa so wo mu safety nti Cars and Fabia, one more funny panso Fabia, one more effa. Some emu aden Jerry, enti near yade eba a year, wokusie, wopia we are not as a de esan, until the assayan emu aden, onipa ena eda for me. I just any bre ena abay. Enti ya bra ano brano no ye de ekoso bia so no ebeto edwa. Okay. Ye da ye nua be ma William asibebre utumu se wotie Adom FM ti kwan fa so ye adwuma no watwa mfoni ni nyina kama e de akire yi.
Why ya da na se adno kra ma onim kra to adwen eti se de ya kan no yen krofo na nka se ko omo afia ko nti omo edu a de besi bia no show se ento ankopem se bebo nwenu nsia no de ya kase bobeba no ebetimi ama mo full account as to they see any baby akosi latest development ebeba ni na no ya de bebre mo ha ya Adom 106.3 FM but finally your first day do my global access savings and loans yesu kra ijahim ebende na yentwa so enko enim pacho omo eye adwumaku a ene Bank of Ghana mom tumi krata mom de adwuma e wo Ghana hanom se savings and loans omo adwuma yen so de esoni yi pa na omo passion ne se omo bedimi a partner with individuals na face small and medium size enterprises na omo timi grow omo businesses ahodo through the provision of high yielding savings products, timely loans, any other banking services, and only yet tailor made. Yeah, no, timi eboa a meeting mu needs na want to take advantage of tomorrow's opportunities. Senti bra na any savings global asset savings and loans. Everything is also na yetimi mu obetimi be current and asset savings account with us today in our 18 network branches in Musaya Kra Tema Kumasi and I say Aguna Swedru. Na ebano a money transfer business there yen pioneers no our Ghana ha ubia edi ho dance banks are doing their grow to check my house area. But you wait me our friend 050 0022 290 and I 0302 734 580 and 0302 734 581. Global Access, your partner, your choice. I feel finally and fast did your ma Serene Insurance. Almost any the new face of insurance or Ghana. Patrol, your policies be brave or insurance ben our person don't be shimmy, motor, marine insurance, aviation, general accident insurance near there. Ni na no, it be pa. I just say, Kobase or how be a bar. Ibetimi ahwe ne agiremu yetwitwa ede agewo na onso wani antu anto onsem it is all person who experience insurance moon insurance papa there it's about that time say what bens win insurance na ye tro sampa insurance e ya de pa ne muye na kululu simbia so ye den enim ene e ban say ye pay claims ne ade a oh pa sha na bibia de na kwemu friend 0302 917 444 afi 0302 917-446 and 050-133-7119. Sounds like me afraid 050-133-7102. Your website sereneinsurance.com. Wait me do any of our branches move or my friend baby a boy head office first floor of First Kai Tower. Community 25 junction after Kum Barrier. Why now be we are facing La Paz N1 highway and so any ADB it didn't share any mobile. It me about Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. And I want to say, Sadaro Mama Boy, MIT, as some way did you home for a way, Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM.